Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are welcome to Ayi's Kitchen. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please support your girl by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you for tuning in and God bless you. For my old subscriber, I say thank you for your support, your love and your encouragement. God bless you. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my stir-fry noodle with prawns. I will be adding my coconut oil. You can use any kind of oil of your choice. Onions. I will start to stir fry my prawns first. My prawns is already seasoned with garlic, ginger, seasoning. My prawns is ready. Onions, ginger, garlic, carrots, green beans, long pepper. I will be adding white pepper, black pepper, I'll be adding my shrimp, it's time for me to add my noodles. My noodle is already cooked. Next is my soya sauce. see, my noodle is very colorful. As you can see, my stir-fried noodle with prawns is ready. My stir-fried noodle with prawns is ready, and this is how it looks like. If you like this video, support me by pressing like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button so whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. Bye.